Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, CNC machines, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a really nice Pacific press brake. It's 175 ton, over 8 foot. It comes with a lot of nice extras. We'll go ahead and run through all the features of the machine, let you see how everything works. Has dual foot pedals. Now these 2 foot pedals can work either in unison or by themselves. So if you wanted for safety to have 2 people on the job, 2 feet on the floor to actuate the press brake, that's the way you can set it up. Or of course you can use the dual palms as you see here. It's also going to have a Automec CNC 2000 single axis controller. The single axis will be the back gauge, back and forth. We'll go ahead and show you how all that works. So the first thing I've done over here, we'll go over here to the side and I'll show you a little bit of the buttons in just a second. What we're going to do first, I'll just show you we're in inch mode, which will be your setup mode, which is, of course, is run by the palms. We'll go ahead and inch down. So this would be setting up, putting in your tooling, making sure you have the right gaps. Of course, when you get to the bottom, push the top stop, it'll go back up. Do that one more time. As soon as I let go of the palms, it's a very accurate machine. Now what we're going to do is go over here to the side where you have your options. We're going to take it out of inch mode and put it into single stroke. And right now we still have it on the hand controls. And you notice right here the return selector is selected to normal. So the normal return is going to allow this machine to retract at a pretty normal rate. And we'll go ahead after that and put it in the fast return and I'll show you what we're talking about. So right now we're going to have the dual palm controls. And you'll see there's 2-speed different actuation here. So at first it's going to be a quick approach, a slow pressing speed, and then a normal rate of return, which is of course faster than the pressing speed. If you had that same slow speed all the time, obviously it would take a very long time to make your parts. So it's going to have the quick approach, slow forming, and normal retraction. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and switch it to the fast retraction. Right here, return selector. Now we're in the fast return mode. So everything's going to work just about the same way it's set for. It's going to return a lot faster. So you're going to have your quick approach, slow forming, and you can see that's a much more rapid rate for the return. Quick approach, slow forming, and return. I'll go ahead and switch over to the foot pedal now, from hand to foot. And we're going to turn the station on. We've got the first station is on right now. And you can see it's still the same speeds. Quick approach, slow forming, rapid return. Now we'll switch to the other pedal, let you see that one work. And finally, we'll turn on both pedals. Obviously, since I'm only one person, I'll have to step on both, but you'll see. Stepping on one doesn't do it. But both does. That's a nice safety feature if you have 2 people working the machine to make sure one person doesn't have anything loading in there as you actuate it. The final thing they'll show you on this is just a simple back gauge. We've inserted a very simple program just to show it going back and forth. Right there, you're at 4 inches. Over to 12 inches. Down to 3 inches. That's 7 inches. 10 inches. Now you could of course add for each part, each step that you want it to be on. There's the bend 3 position, it's going to be at 5 inches. It goes all the way back there. Now we're at 20 inches. You can take a look at the screen here, you can see it advance. Right here you see we're at bend number 4. If I advance it, it moved the back gauge up. We're about 4 inches, and now we're at bend number 5, bend number 6, and so on, as well as a parts counter for every time you go through the complete cycle. If you're interested in this press brake or any other, we do carry new and used, all sizes, as well as the tooling for the press brakes. Please give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.